Okay, just gonna make sure that it is streaming. It is. So, hello everyone. Chloe Lewis here, founder of the Marma J Foundation. Going to do another episode of Marma J DAO live. Although technically, this video is not doing anything for the DAO. I am explaining a little bit about Skyward Finance, how it works, how I'm planning on using it right now. And we're just going to get started. So we're going to go through the facts real quick, just to give a high level overview of what Skyward is. This video is hopefully going to be relatively short, just about 10 minutes or so. I'm going to create a token exchange. You can call it a sale. You can call it a whatever you'd like. But basically, we're going to use this, I'm going to use Skyward Finance as a way of exchanging some Marma J tokens that I have into wNEAR with the help of the wNEAR community. So what is Skyward Finance? Skyward Finance is a fully permissionless, open source launchpad that allows projects to launch their tokens without any liquidity, with the best price discovery mechanism that's resistant to bots and Sybil attacks. So I'm not actually using this as a token launch strategy. I'm using this just as a token exchange strategy. So if I took 190 Marma J tokens, I could right now go to, let's go to ref.finance. This is a decentralized exchange built on the wNEAR blockchain. I could go to swap. I could, change this to wNEAR, and I could type in 190, and I would be able to take 190 Marma J tokens that I have, and I would be able to get 250 wNEAR around there, not exactly. Okay? But let's say I wanted to do 19 Marma J. I would actually get 12 more wNEAR, right? I would get 160.416 wNEAR. And then if I was going to do 0.19, you could see the rate would be a little better. Now, this is because there is slippage. For example, if you check these details out right here, I'm not sure how good you can. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can kind of see a little better what's going on here. But if I try and swap 19 Marma J to wNEAR, you're going to see my swap rate is 1 Marma J equals 1.399 wNEAR. If I try and sell 19, my swap rate gets a little bit worse, okay? So 1.30 instead of 1.399. Now, if I try and sell 190, you'll see my swap rate gets even worse, okay? 1.3. So I'm losing even more. Now, granted, the swap rate is not changing that much. I could just come on here and sell, 5 tokens a day or at any given time. But we're going to have some fun doing this automated through Skyward. Now, I might get way worse of a price, but this is kind of fun for me, and this is kind of the finished product. So anyways, what are the advantages of Skyward Finance? So why not just do it on Ref and do it myself manually? Why use Skyward? So one of the main reasons is it's possible to launch a token without any liquidity. So right now, as I've shown, I actually have already put liquidity in for wNEAR. But if I could, let's say I wanted to use DAI, okay? And I wanted to sell one, so you could see 1 Marma J is about 16.122 DAI. So DAI is a stable coin pegged to the US dollar. So 1 Marma J is around $16.12. If I try and did 190, you could see that actually 1 Marma J is only $9. Okay, so this would be a very good reason. For example, if I wanted to get DAI instead of wNEAR, I can do this type of a sale to DAI instead of wNEAR. For the first time we're doing this, we are going to use wNEAR. This is a test. This is an experiment. The next time we do this, so I earned the 190 Marma J tokens by creating YouTube videos like the one I'm doing now to support the Marma J community. The next month, so at the end of November, when I earn some more Marma J tokens from the Marma J DAO, maybe I'll do a Skyward sale to receive some DAI. So you're able to exchange tokens without having liquidity set up for your token on an exchange. It's a price discovery mechanism that's resistant to bot and Sybil attacks, which cannot be manipulated. Sales are not instant, so I'm not just swapping my 190 Marma J straight away for some wNEAR. The sale happens every single second over the duration of the sale. So pump and dump is not possible, which is great. There's no limit orders, so I can't artificially manipulate the price of the token that I'm exchanging. The community decides what the price of the token should be. So this is kind of what I was talking about previously. I can raise or exchange with any token that I like. You can do multiple sales with different tokens simultaneously. So I can say, hey, let's do, and maybe I will do this. I mean, actually, I won't do this because it costs 10 wNEAR for every sale. So we're going to try this one out as an experiment this month. And next month, I might experiment again. And maybe the next month, we'll do a sale where we do 80 tokens in wNEAR and then 80 tokens in DAI. And so we can kind of see how it goes across those two pairs. Maximum raised capital, yeah. You don't need the Skyward token to participate or create a sale. It's permissionless, so you know me, I love things that are permissionless and open for anyone to interact with. That's one of the main reasons we're doing this as well. It's going to be a great way for the community to get involved with the Marma J token, put a little bit of wNEAR in, maybe earn some Marma J. They can hold it, be a part of our community. They can sell it, get back some wNEAR or another token as well. The contract is autonomous, so anyone can make a sale. The treasury is permissionless. It's scalable. You only need 2 transactions to enter and leave, so it's kind of anyone can take part because it's built on wNEAR. You don't have to pay these really high transaction fees to take part in the sale. Someone can just see the sale, say, okay, I want to throw 0.5 wNEAR in just to kind of have fun and enjoy it, and then kind of remove their funds whenever they want. You're not locking someone in based on the price. And then, you can limit sale participation through an external smart contract. So we're not doing this, but you could have like a KYC smart contract, which is what actually Aurora token is doing for the 17th in a few days. Then there's like, okay, there's a Skyward token, yada, yada, yada. There was this token sale, yada, yada, yada. Yeah, we're not going into the token. There's so much information here that we're not going to go into. But this is a sale example. We'll do it quickly. So every sale has at least 1 week grace period, so the community can assess the legitimacy of the project. I like this as well because you can't just make a sale for like, today is Sunday the 14th of November. You can't just make a sale for an hour later and have everyone ape into it and jump in and potentially lose their money. There's 1 week we can create marketing campaign, which is actually one of the things we're planning on doing. We're planning on using this sale as a way to market the Marma J DAO, what we're doing, market Skyward Finance and their really cool way of having token sales, to market Ref Finance and the liquidity that we have there. And just kind of show off this really cool mechanism to be able to exchange tokens within the wNEAR ecosystem. So founders can sell their project's tokens to investors and community members over a fixed period of time in exchange for of a token they choose as a pair, with distribution happening every block. So actually, this is kind of like really in depth. If you really want to look, I put the Skyward app link in the description of this video. If you would like to learn more about it, I would suggest just clicking the facts link, up here, FAQ, and you could read more about what a sale looks like. But I will show off the referral program, just because we are going to have a referral for this test exchange we're doing. I'm going to be doing very soon. So each sale may opt in to allocating up to 5% of the offered token into a referral pool. So we're going to have 1.19% in a referral pool. If a participant comes through a referral, then both the participant and the referrer equally splits allocations from the referral pool corresponding to the deposit to the participant. Okay. So they give me a little example. For example, in the example above, Alice and her referrer would be able to split 25% from the 5% of the moon pool. So both Alice and the referrer would receive 50% times 25% times 5%. And we didn't actually go through the example, so bear with us in these examples. So they would receive 45 moon tokens. If you do not use the referral link, then the unused allocation goes back to the sale creator. That's me. So if no one uses the referral link, I get back all the referred tokens that were in the referral pool. If people do use the referral link, hey, look at this, you can do this exchange, blah, 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 then you'll be able to earn some extra Marma J tokens for doing the referral. I kind of want to just do the referral link because it seems like an interesting, I want to see what it looks like in the smart contract to experiment a little more. But I already have this sale set up, so I'm just going to go over what I already have set up. So we're going to call this the Marma J. The little dollar sign in front just shows that this is the ticker for the token. So Marma J, I should actually only have it one direction. We're going from Marma J to wNEAR Token Exchange. It'd be really fun actually to do it in DAI now that I think about it, but I don't think I'm going to. Actually, shoot, that'd be so much more fun. So I might do it in DAI just for fun. Okay, anyways, the output token. So with the output token, you actually choose which token. So people, I want to receive wNEAR. So people are going to put in wNEAR into this exchange thing, and they're going to be they're going to receive Marma J tokens. Okay, you put how much Marma J you want to put up, 190. Okay, that's how many tokens I received for doing videos last week, and so I'm going to put those up to be received by the community. The referral fee, okay, so this comes from the output amount, so it'll be like 2 or 3 Marma J in total. Not much, okay, but I think again, okay, so almost 4, actually above. Anyways, don't worry about it, okay? It's a little bit of Marma J tokens for referrals. It's not very much. I think it'd be cool to look at it through the smart contract and see how it works. And then, as they said, so today is Sunday, November 14th. That is over here. You cannot start your sale for a week. And so it's going to start Monday, the 22nd of November. And it's going to run for the entirety of November, just for fun. So, 9-day duration. Now you can see a little preview. So you can see what I wrote above, Marma J to wNEAR, the total paying. So people will deposit wrapped NEAR, and they'll be able to receive Marma J tokens. Now, I really, right now, during this stream, I really want to try out changing the input token to NDAI, but I'm not going to do it because this is the test. So this first experiment is a test. I don't want people to complain they lost money or that there wasn't enough liquidity on the token. There is the most liquid pair we have, so I'm actually going to go show the different pools we have. Okay, so if I type in Marma J on Ref Finance, you will see, so it's just app.ref.finance. It's pretty easy to find this, and /pools will give you the pools. The most liquid pool with $88,000 of liquidity is the Marma J to wNEAR pair. So if someone, even with 100, even if someone got the entirety of the sale, which I don't think will happen, there's a lot of liquidity here. I would love to do a sale to earn DAI, for example, but we're not going to do that. I don't want someone to complain that they, bought some Marma J or sold some Marma J and the slippage was too high and they ended up losing money. So we're going to keep it on the Marma J wNEAR pair. So where are we? Where's the preview listing. So this is actually the preview listing, okay? It says create listing for 10 wNEAR. So wNEAR, I think, is that, I actually have no clue what the price of wNEAR is right now. Let's go to swap and check it out. So 1 wNEAR is around 11.5 DAI. So it's gonna cost me $115 just to create this sale. So as you could see, that's about the amount I lose in slippage anyways. So this is, again, just an experiment, just to have fun. I'm paying 10 wNEAR just to enjoy Skyward, put up a sale, do some marketing, have some fun, show off these cool apps, use them all together. And obviously it'd be really cool to use a DAO to do this, right? Like the Marma J DAO. I can kind of look it up real quick. So we can go to Marma J. It doesn't, I spelled Marma J wrong. That'll do it. Okay. This is the Marma J DAO. If you go to the treasury on the Marma J DAO, you check out the tokens, you'll see the Marma J DAO has about 12,300 and something tokens in it. So it could be really cool if we wanted to have more stable coin liquidity, to have a ref token sale done to the DAO to end up, you know, raising some DAI. And then we could say, hey, we're going to sell 1,000 Marma J tokens to raise, you know, a bunch of DAI, and then we can add it to the DAI liquidity. So for example, we go to Poolsien, and then we type in Marma J. We could see we only have about $9,000, right, in DAI Marma J liquidity. So if we, sorry, let's go here. If we decided to sell, it won't even let me look at it. But for example, I mean, it would be a lot more than this, but it would be like $16,000, I guess, kind of in value that we'd be able to raise, which would be great. Anyways, I'm probably just gonna like click this, you know, create listing button. I feel like this video has been going on for 17 minutes now, so way too long. I explained Skyward quite a bit. This looks good to me. I mean, this is going on mainnet. I didn't even test it out, so give me a second to look it over. Okay, so Marma J to wNEAR Token Exchange. Okay, we're going to be receiving wNEAR. We're going to be giving out Marma J tokens, and yeah, I think we're just going to do it. I mean, this looks like fun. This looks like fun to me. So you could read like what's happening in the transaction. So we're going to register a token on the Skyward contract for ourselves, Marma J token.near. So we're registering that. Then we are going to pay a storage deposit on the Marma J token for Skyward. Very cool. So this is the first time Skyward's using Marma J, so we have to register it. Then this is the first time Skyward's interacting with Marma J, so we gotta register that on Marma J. Then we gotta do the fungible token transfer call. We actually have to transfer 190 Marma J to Skyward.near, and the memo is deposit to create Skyward Finance sale. Message, account deposit. Awesome. Then it's also going to create a sale. Sale create. Argument is sale. Title. This is the fancy title we just put in. Out tokens. Okay, so the token account ID for the out tokens is Marma J token. Wonderful. How many? Its total balance is 190, and the referral basis point is 1.19%. Token in is going to be wrap.near. Wrap.near is the smart contract for wrapped near. That makes sense. The start time is sometime in the future. Okay, this uses Unix, I'm assuming, and duration will be 9 days. That's in seconds, I'm assuming. Okay, so that looks good to me. If I mess this up, then I'll be embarrassed a little bit, but you'll all watch me be embarrassed live. So yeah, that's it. I mean, like, a lot of this was just explaining the facts, explaining what's going on, and explaining ref finance and our liquidity. But honestly, you can create a sale for any token within a matter of seconds, as long as you got 10 wNEAR to pay for the sale to be added. But you can create a token in seconds you can go to tkn.farm. You could log in with your wNEAR wallet. So I'll do that real quick. So tkn.farm, log in with your wNEAR wallet. You can create a token in seconds. Like for example, I created the Mika token down here. Cool. I could have a token sale for this silly Mika token, and I can just come on Skyward and do it. But yeah, that's it. I'm gonna like remove that random thing. But yeah, if you go to app.skyward.finance/sale/54, you will see this is the token sale. It'll begin in more than a week. Don't deposit your wNEAR now because you won't get anything for depositing early. This is the referral code. So down here, if someone uses this, so we're gonna write blog posts, share this on Twitter and all that fun stuff. And so when we share it, we're gonna use our referral code. If you wanted to, let me see if I can. Let's see if this works. Oh, I'm not signed in. I was using my other browser to try and showcase what it looks like there. I won't do that. This video has been long enough. Thank you so much for coming along. Maybe, listening, learning something new. If you're watching this in the future, check it out. You can see how our sale did. So again, app.skyward.finance/sale/54, and you will be able to see how our sale went. Maybe we raised more. I mean, remember, this is what we're looking at. Oops. Okay. Skyward, Ref Finance doesn't like me today, but this is what we're looking at. So technically, if I just dumped my 190 Marma J right now, I'd get 148 wNEAR. And remember, I paid 10 wNEAR to set up the sale. So hopefully, I will earn at least 148 wNEAR in the sale. That would be great. If I earned 160 wNEAR or around there, right, or more, then the sale went better than it would have went from dumping. I assume it'll go worse. I assume I'll earn like 240. Sorry, I'm going to say 260. Anyways, I assume I'll earn maybe around 220 to 240 something. Because people are going to be arbitraging across the sale. Whatever. We'll see how it goes. It should be fun though. Hope y'all learned something new. And if not, I'm sorry. I'll try and do better next time. And if you have any questions, drop them in the link to this reply to this video. Say this is cool. This is not cool. I learned something new. I didn't learn something new. But yeah, here's our token sale. I'm going to take this link and share it in our Telegram chat so people can see what's coming. Maybe they'll start their own sales in the future. But yeah, toodles. Bye. Hope y'all had fun.